Hi guys, welcome to this earning recommendation where I want the young generation know how to earn online. So I want the best for you. So stick with me. So what I'm here to recommend for you today is an application that you just install on your phone, on your laptop, on your desktop, your smart TV, and it generates passive income. Over time, when it reaches the threshold, which is $20, you can actually go ahead and withdraw it. So this application is called Honeygain. So it's simply in the sense of how bees work. When you on your data, these insects go and use your unused data and accumulate it into cryptocurrency. So I reward you the crypto. So the crypto is the honey you get. So when it generates the honey, but don't misunderstand the app. It is actually slow, but with time it generates enough honey to reach the $20. All you have to do is to just install it and leave it on your phone, and it gets there. So with time it generates $20, then it can be even more. Then you decide to ask for payment, then you get paid. This app helps you earn passively with no stress. In my previous video, I made mention of a tax application that you go perform tax, social tax, you perform surveys and web testing. So if you have no time for that, but I feel like you should have time for that, because normally an average Nigerian spends like 5 hours online doom scrolling with no way to go. So with this, you are performing taxes, at least you are earning revenue for yourself. So you do this small side hustle, then you end up cumulative something actually valuable. So with no stress, check the link on the comment section and get started with Honeygain. So adios.